Kids, tonight I'll tell you a story you've never heard before. First of all, I hope you'll listen to my words carefully while staying calm. As you know, every story has a great moral inside it. We just have to figure it out and to teach ourselves first and to teach other people surrounding us by our way of acting. This is a story of a kind-hearted girl who did something extraordinary with her kindness, courage, and the way she saw the beauty of the world more than everyone else. In the edge of a lush green village named Nurabad, where wildflowers grew freely and butterflies danced in the air, lived a 10-year-old girl named Zara. She was no ordinary girl. Zara had a deep love for animals and a heart full of dreams. She spent her days reading books under the banyan tree, helping her parents in their small cottage, and sketching birds in her notebook. One morning, as the sun rose over the hills, painting the sky orange and gold, Zara heard a strange sound near her garden. "Help! Help! Someone please untangle me!" came a voice. She looked around. No one was there. She followed the sound carefully and peeked behind the lemon tree. There, struggling in a net, was a magnificent parrot, unlike any she had ever seen. Its feathers shimmered like jewels, and its eyes were sharp and intelligent. "You can talk?" she gasped, stepping closer. "Yes, and I can do much more if you free me." "But please hurry before the hunter returns," said the parrot, flapping its wings. Zara didn't hesitate. She carefully untied the net and set the parrot free. It stretched its wings wide and flew in a graceful arc, then landed gently on Zara's shoulder. "You've saved me," the parrot said. "My name is Rafiki, the jungle guardian. You're the first human in years to hear me speak. That means you're chosen." "Chosen for what?" Zara asked, her eyes wide. "To protect the enchanted jungle," Rafiki replied. "But first, come with me." Rafiki led Zara deep into the jungle. Zara stepped cautiously into the secret clearing, her breath catching in her throat. The trees had parted like curtains, revealing a hidden world bathed in soft, golden light. In the center of the clearing, a glowing pool shimmered, its surface rippling gently as if it held 1,000 stars within its depths. The air hummed with a quiet magic, and the ground sparkled faintly beneath her feet. Animals trapped by poachers, fire set by greedy loggers, and rivers poisoned by waste. "This is what's happening to my world," Rafiki said sadly. "The jungle is in danger, but with your kind heart, you can help." Zara knelt beside the glowing pool, her heart racing. The water shimmered softly, and as she placed her hand into its depths, a gentle warmth spread through her fingers. Suddenly, images flashed before her eyes, her hands planting young saplings in the earth, sunlight dancing on the leaves. She saw herself opening cages, freeing birds and animals, their wings spreading wide in joy. A vision of a school appeared, children sitting under tall trees, listening to the whispers of the wind, their faces glowing with wonder as they learned to care for the world around them. "You are the Earth Whisperer," Rafiki announced. "You will unite the jungle and the village." Over the next few days, Rafiki taught Zara to understand animal language, read weather signs, and protect the jungle using ancient wisdom. One evening, while Zara was helping her father carry vegetables to the market, she overheard some men planning to cut down part of the forest to build a factory. She rushed back to Rafiki. "We have to stop them!" Together, they gathered animals, elephants to block the path, monkeys to send warnings, and birds to deliver letters to village elders. Zara spoke at the village council with wisdom far beyond her years. The jungle is not just trees. It's our lungs, our shield, our story, she said. Destroy it, and we destroy ourselves. The villagers were moved. They agreed to protect the jungle and build eco-friendly paths, gardens, and schools instead. Years passed. Zara grew up and became a wildlife biologist. Nurabad became famous for its balance of nature and progress. Children studied under trees, and Rafiki's descendants flew freely in the sky. And every now and then, someone would say they heard a parrot speaking in the breeze, telling the story of Zara, the girl who spoke for the jungle. Now, as a great moral of a short story, we can say that one act of kindness can open magical doors. True heroes protect those who cannot speak for themselves, animals, trees, and the earth.
We get it, Pop. From today, we will try our best to help everyone and to speak for those who cannot speak.